Okay. Good evening.
Yeah, and submit the form, the application form for uh, working pass, for employment pass in Singapore. So I a little bit late for lesson today.
Okay. That's okay. Have you had dinner yet?
Yeah. I have a dinner. I have already. How about you?
Me too. What did you do today?
Uh, today is the typical day again. I try to finalize a lot of work to refresh my mind.
I thought
Try
that
to
your company sent you to the Singapore so you don't need to do anything.
uh I, actually I need to give them the information to application because work in Singapore need a lot of form need to be filled, need to be I give them like personal information.
Ah, so you have to give them some information,
Yeah, personal
personal
information
information.
and education information to make sure that I'm qualified to work in Singapore.
Oh, so when are you going to go to Singapore?
Uh, I supposedly around the end of September, in the next 2 months.
Next 2 months.
Yes, next 2 months, the end of September.
Right. So how long will you work there?
I just work for 1 year,
Only
one
1 year.
yeah, only 1 year. Uh, because I need to come back to Vietnam and continue to work.
Continue.
Continue to work in the higher level.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
It's
kind of uh, trainee course, trainee trip for me.
right. So you just you go on a business, right? You
Yeah, right.
go on a business. You
Yes,
spend time to work in Singapore, and they will train you
yes, right.
for 1 year. After
I'll
that, you go back.
come back and devote.
You go back to Vietnam, and you get promotion with a
Yeah.
higher level, a higher position in
Yeah.
your company, right?
Yes, right.
So can you tell me, would you like to become a creator?
Become the creator.
Yes.
Become the creator.
That you have to, you create something.
Uh, I didn't. I never think about this before.
Mm.
So this question surprised me. uh, I have no answer. Like maybe I love to something new, and I think that I suppose that I love to be love to become the creator.
Okay. Because you would like to do something new.
Yeah.
Okay.
I it seems to be I guess easy to be born with the uh, normal thing, with the everything keep going in the normal way. So it make me feel boring.
Mm. And you fed up with?
Yeah, fed up with. Yes, right.
This thing, like the repetitive things, right? And
Right.
novel thing, you want something special,
But
something new.
yeah.
So, before we study this lesson, tell me what is the patents mean? What is the patent mean?
Oh, the patent to this kind of certificates to recognize the people who create something new. Is that right?
Yes, create something new and it show the
And it shows.
problem. This show
Yeah,
the physical problem.
yes. It shows the physical problem. Yeah, right.
So tell me how important is the patents to the company?
Uh, I think the patent plays the important role in uh, uh, in the companies because it can protect the like the results, the achievement of the employee who's create something new.
What else?
Mm, and the patent will enhance the like the value of the brand.
Value in the
Yeah,
brand and
yeah, yeah, and increase.
increase revenue
Yes, yeah, so increase the revenue
and
for the,
boost productivity productivity,
yeah, productivity also goes up according to the patent.
right? So for example, what happen if I use patent without permission?
If you use the patent without commission, you will get to be um, mm, uh, shoes.
Mm. I
You
will be
will,
sued
yeah, will be shoes.
or I will fine,
Yeah, yeah, you will be fired.
right? And or and that's action we say patent infringement, right?
Yeah, patent infringement.
Okay. Can you help me speak out loud this word?
Mm, Propri- pro-
Proprietary,
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 right?
proprietary, proprietary patents.
Okay. Help me speak out loud this example.
Okay. I just assume he's owned the place. He had a proprietary airs about him.
Right.
Patents. Filing patents is a long and expensive process. Under license, it's a German product made under license in British factories. Royalties. Gross royalties from university invention dropped from the 23.1 million to 16.8 million. Copyright. His work is no longer protected by copyright.
Protected by
Copyright
copyright.
infringement. There are many who copyright infringement. There are many who have thought as a legacy or illegal downloading. Piracy. Recording companies continue their efforts to combat to combat internet piracy. Brand name on the brand name on the car maker spend heavily to promote their brand names. Trademark. Google is a trademark of Google Technologies. Intellectual property, and now there are laws to protect their intellectual properties.
Right.
Intellectual.
Can you help me make some sentences with the word propri- proprietary?
Proprietary.
Yes. Some sentences with the word proprietary.
Um, some brand name provide the proprietary product, uh, such as I have no idea.
Such as what?
Uh,
Okay.
because in the Vietnamese in the corporate law in Vietnam, they have a law to avoid the proprietary. Many years ago, Microsoft is one of the biggest company have proprietary
Yes.
to to provide like a software.
You can give some example like some company produce proprietary
Yeah,
products.
product. Yeah,
Proprietary products.
proprietary product.
Or they run proprietary software.
Yes.
For example, like that. Okay. So tell me, what is the difference between patents and copyright?
And, and copyright. What's the difference?
Yes. What is the difference between the patents
I
and copyright?
think that copyright. Mm, Actually, I have no knowledge about this copyright. Let me see.
Patents.
Maybe you can patent. Yeah, copyright and patent. Or you can you can sell the copyright for money in in fact you can sell it or you can uh, rent you
What?
can rent the copyright. I'm not sure.
So what is the difference? Okay. Uh, Copyright is the kind of works like when you write a book and when you make a song or music
Mm, yeah,
for your, it's called copyright. Or
yeah.
you create software or you make films. That's those things we call copyright.
So I think the main difference between the copyright and the patent is the copyright is recognize and protect the author who's create the product like the song or the book,
Mm.
and the patent is recognize the more
Like the
than the
machine.
product. Yeah, machine. Yeah.
So, have you ever downloaded the song and without paying anything?
Yes, sure. I was way you and download I download the song and films from the Netflix or YouTube. YouTube for free trial. So I didn't pay anything to yeah, I didn't pay anything to download the song from YouTube.
Right. And tell me, how is the important trademark to the cooperation?
Oh, trademark.
Yes.
Trademark is very important to any company who like to build the solid and the strong brand name, strong value and high value. With like uh, my company spend a lot of time, invest a lot of time, and invest a lot of resource, include human resource to build the trademark uh, because it's create awareness of the um, like consumer awareness of consumer towards the brand name. When you when you talk about sugar, you always talk about Biên Hòa sugar, đường Biên Hòa
Yes.
is very famous. Yeah,
That's okay.
yeah,
It's raise awareness to the public, right?
yeah. Awareness to
Raise
the public.
awareness
Yeah,
to the public, and they can recognize your company
yeah,
brand name through the trademark.
yeah. True trademark. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about the products and services. What is different between the products and services?
I think the product is mentioned about the tangible things
Mm.
you can hold, you can see
Tangible?
it. Tangible, is that right?
No,
Tangible.
no.
Oh,
Tangible
it,
is mean you can't touch or you can
oh,
see.
intangible. So
Yes,
intangible.
intangible.
Yeah, intangible. You can touch, you can see, yeah, you can touch, and you can see it by hand. And mm, services is mentioned about some kind of stuff you cannot see, uh, you cannot touch, but you can feel it, and you can like how to say, but you can touch. So you call it a services. You
Okay.
can experience.
Okay. Because of bad connection, so I can't hear. Okay, let's clarify a little bit. Okay, products is the kind of thing which are tangible products, right?
And
Which tangible thing, and service are intangible things.
intention. Yeah.
Okay, products you can touch, can see, and you can buy it,
Yes. Right.
and the services uh, we it means that you can't touch, you you can't touch, right,
Yes. Right.
or see it. So that these are the difference. These are the difference between products and services.
Yes. Right.
All right, we have produce. Produce is the uncountable. It's a noun when we talk about crops or fruit.
Yeah.
Gọi là nông sản hả? Nông sản là produce, còn sản xuất là produce.
Produce. Oh. Yeah.
So we have some difference. We have some differences between this word, maker and manufacturer. Manufacture có nghĩa là sản xuất gì đấy? It means it means that the company produce the large product and they use
Yeah.
machines. So
Use machine.
we will use manufacture here, and we can maybe produce is in general.
Yeah, right.
Can you help me speak out these phrases?
Okay. Workshops. An engineering workshop. Handmade. Handmade products are becoming increasingly popular. Craft industry. How big is the art and craft industry? Labor intensive. The service sectors is more labor intensive and less productive than manufacturing. Assembly line, production line. Consider a problem such as a scheduling of activities on a production line, manufacturing plant, factory. The company opened its first European manufacturing plant at 1971. Churn something out. The factory churns out thousands of pairs of these shoes every week. Cost effective. It wouldn't be cost effective to buy an expensive new computer when all you want to do is store your photos.
Okay, photos.
Photo.
Or photos for American accents and photos for British accent.
Yeah.
Right. And when you work at your corporation, how many workshops are there in your corporation?
Oh, as you know, my current company is one of the biggest pro production producer of sugar producer. So we have a lot of
Sugar produce. Sugar
yeah
produce.
produce. Yeah. So we own a lot of workshops. Uh, yeah, that's located from in Laos, Cambodia, and many provinces in Vietnam. We have around 10 over 10 workshops.
Province, not province. Province.
Province,
Yes.
province. Yeah,
It's spread.
yeah,
It's spread a lot of province in
yeah,
Vietnam, right? And
yeah.
it's even expand to
And
Cambodia
Cambodia
and
and
Laos.
yes, right.
Okay. Can you list some handmade products?
Handmade product.
Yes.
Let me see. Uh, is that mm, handmade product? Handmade product. I saw. I thought that some kind of product. It has much about the the t-shirt.
Mm.
Yeah,
T-shirt,
t-shirt. Yeah, text textiles product.
textile,
Yeah, textile product. Most of them is the handmade product
made by
and
manual workers, right? Manual
yes, right,
worker.
manual worker.
What else?
Mm, I can find a lot of thing handmade because nowadays we are in the industrial line, so I think we use more than like merchandise and you merchandise more than, rather than used by hand manual thing.
Because we live in industrialization era,
Yes,
so we happily use the
use,
handmade product,
yes,
but definitely we have some products like handmade soap,
yeah,
handmade clothes, or handmade
yeah,
pottery, or
yeah.
handmade bags.
Handmade bag, yeah, handmade bag, yeah, right.
So, can you help me um, make some sentences with the praise craft industry?
Mm. Craft, uh, uh, craft industry.
Yes.
Mm, let me see. Mm, nowadays, it's hard to for the craft industry to maintain the business because the industrialized area will take the uh, take the advantages
Mm,
than the craft industry.
mm,
The craft industry is make the cost of production is higher
mm,
than the like the process of production with the merchandise.
mm,
Uh, so I think the with the passing of a time, the craft industry will be disappears in the future.
right. But some fields of crafts industry like jewelry, such as jewelry. You know
Jewelry.
jewelry?
No.
Jewelry making, trang sức, jewelry.
Oh, jewelry. Yeah, right.
It's jewelry,
Jewelry.
jewelry
Yeah.
making, and they ask labor skills.
Yeah. Right.
Those are as labor skills. So I think that and it's meet the customer demand.
Mm, okay, right.
It meets the customer demands like celebrities, such as celebrities, and
Celebrity. Yeah. So craft industry will create the high level of price
mm,
of the product, and it's just a tailor to the like distinctive demand.
mm, yes, right. Next, help me make some sentences with the phrase assembly line or production line.
Or production lines is a gather of many lines. So you can consecutive produce the like complexity of product, like complicated product with the production line. And as my current company is produce enormous of the product due to the modern production line.
So assembly line is play important role in company, right? Assembly lines plays important piece on in the big company.
Yeah, it helps you to shorten the time of the process. And saving a lot of cost. Yeah, so
Say
you can
labor. Say
yeah
labor.
save labor. Yeah.
And what can we produce on assembly line?
What can we
Yes,
produce?
what can we produce on assembly line nowadays?
Yeah, nowadays we can produce a lot of things from the assembly line.
We can produce or manufacture.
Yeah, I'm manufacturer.
We can manufacture a lot of products
Yeah.
on a production line, such as
like the food and beverage.
food and beverage. What
Yeah,
else?
beverage. Um, textile.
Textile.
Yeah, textile product. Let me see. Material like
Okay, metal, steel.
steel. Uh, yeah, a lot of things.
Or car.
Car, yeah, car.
Car or some machines.
Machine, yeah, cars, machine.
And these products are manufactured on production line.
Yeah, on production line.
Can you list some manufacturing plants in Vietnam?
Yeah. In Vietnam, there are a wide range of the factory or the manufacturing plant, but they concentrate in the north of the Vietnam, like VinFast or Taco. You know Taco, yeah, Taco is the famous brand with the selling car from the Mercedes and BMW. And we have a lot of another manufacturing plant from the Vinamilk in the food and beverage factory industry, like Vinamilk, Hoàng Anh Gia Lai. They produce the agricultural product.
Okay. Next, price. Help me make some sentences with the price turn something out.
Turn something out.
Yes.
Turn something out.
It means that you produce a
Yes.
series of product with low quality.
Yeah. Like functional product.
I don't know, but give me some example with the price turn something out.
Turn something else.
You can use that nowadays. So many manufacturing plant turn out a million products every week, for example, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me more example with the price of turn something out?
Yeah, actually, I try to remember what kind of product nowadays that is turn out from the factory. Like food. Yeah, nowadays the food factory turn out a lot of kind product mix. That's impact badly on the human health.
Impact human health negatively, right?
Yeah, right.
And they churn out a lot of foods or
Food,
beverage.
beverage, yeah.
Why? Why
Agree.
do you think that they churn out a lot of foods and beverage every week or every day?
Yeah, I just read this kind of information on the newspaper every day because I suppose that with the product line turn something out, turn a food out, um, we will have them to get a minimum cost and it leads to the higher and higher the revenue and income. Yeah, that's a very like a huge profit from the turn out the low quality food.
Turn out local, turn out foods, right?
Right.
They add more chemicals.
Yeah, it's chemical ingredient, chemical ingredient
They
to
add.
food.
So tell me, what happens if we produce a large a large of products, but it but they don't meet the customer need.
If you produce a lot of product that doesn't meet the customer needs, is um, apparently lead to the trough of revenue because no one will buy this kind of product, and it will certainly lead to the situation that you will go to the bankrupt.
Let's go bankrupt. Let's talk about capacity and output.
Capacity.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, how do we increase productivity?
Mm, Increase the way to increase the productivity. Um, um, I think you need to apply the cutting edge technologies or invention in the production, or you can keep the shift longer. I mean, you can make a shift longer to overtime to create the um, like the production time. Yeah, but I think the best way to increasing the efficiency is the apply the technologies.
Apply the technology to
Yeah, the solution to the product to the produce process.
so we need to we need to have advanced
Yeah,
machines, right?
yeah,
Advanced technologies
yeah.
and the latest machine,
The latest machine.
and it will contribute to increase the
Yeah,
productivity.
yeah.
And furthermore, we should hire labor skills.
For skill. Yeah,
It's so important to have labor skills. But nowadays, we we are lacking labor skills.
yeah. We are lacking. We are lacking of labor skill.
Let's talk about the materials and supplies. So important how important are the materials to the company?
Uh, I'm not sure about the definition of the materials, but I think in this context, the materials it mentions about
Raw materials,
the
actually.
yeah,
Raw.
raw material. Yeah, that's the source of the input in every line of production. We need to the import or you can create or produce the material, and that material will become the um, like the input in another production line. And if you have you own or you create, you produce the high quality of the raw material, that will create the high quality like the end-to-end production, uh, and from that you can generate more revenue. You can launch into the market the uh, high quality product.
Mm. So raw materials is
From
very important, right?
yeah,
It's
right.
the heart of the product.
Yeah,
The whether the products are quality, it depends on raw
from
materials.
oh yes, right.
So tell me, what are the raw materials of your company?
Raw material in my company is about, we call it the raw sugar and sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Yeah, sugar cane. Um, Raw sugar is the input for the process to produce uh, a lot of kind kind of product like organic sugar, like such as beverage and some ingredient. Yeah, we we have over um, 70 70 lines of product from the raw sugar.
Right. From the
From the raw sugar.
no, from the sugar cans.
Yeah, sugar cane. Yeah,
From the sugar cans, raw materials can be produced
yeah,
steel,
yeah,
metal, for example, like that. And we
yes,
need to import raw materials
yeah,
to manufacture
yeah,
the products. Right.
right.
Let's talk about the components or parts.
Oh,
Okay, can you give me some example with these words, components and parts?
okay. Uh, when you mention about the component, the definition the component, I immediately think about the Samsung. Samsung, yeah. Samsung is a brand name with the producer in electronic industry, and Samsung have a enormous manufacturing plant that provide a lot of components uh, for uh, for computer and
Mm.
yeah, and mobile phone.
Okay, so you say that some incorporation
Yeah,
produce components for gadgets, right? For
yeah,
gadgets, for gadgets.
gadgets,
Okay, let's talk about the labor.
labor. Yeah.
So is it important to have a lot of labor skills?
Yes, certainly. It's very important, very crucial to say that the labor played an important role for the success of the success of the company. Because the highly skilled of a labor with a low cost will create the productivity. They will create more ID and create value of their company. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Can you tell me the work in progress?
Work in progress.
For example, if I am human resources, I ask you share something about your work in progress.
Work in progress is the i- is describe the describe the progress of the working or experience.
It looks like
Uh,
experience. All right.
it
Work in progress.
working.
Okay. Okay. I misunderstand a little bit about this phrase.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Good. Can you tell me about goods? Okay. What goods do your company what goods does your company produce, mainly produce?
Yeah. My current company produce a wide range of goods from the raw sugar to the white sugar and the beverage, the carbonated beverage and juicy uh, and some kind of food from the sugar. So they have a product mix. So we call it we provide and we launch to the market a lot of goods every year
Like
in the agriculture.
your company produce goods like foods, right?
Yeah, food,
Sugar,
sugar, ingredient.
and your company supplies sugars
Yes.
for other company, right?
Yeah, right.
For
For Coke.
for beverage company.
Yeah, for beverage company. Yes, right, right.
Let's talk about supplies and outsourcing.
Outsourcing. Outsourcing.
Can you help me speak out loud these phrases and the words?
Okay. Manufacturing operation. This is not the sales of the manufacturing operation. Supplier. They used to be a leading supplier of military equipment. Subcontracting. Subcontracting is very common in the oil industry. Outside, outside supplier. Division Alpha can purchase a required part from an outside supplier at $35. Outsourcing. Outsource. Uh, they recently signed a 5 year outsourcing contract with the company in-house in-house training scheme.
Right. Okay. Tell me, what are your supplies? What are your company supplies?
Yeah,
Supply.
yeah my former my former company supplied the condominium condo what I mentioned about the residential real estate.
Okay.
Yeah, condominium, the building with a lot of house in there. We call that condominium. Chung cư. Nói về cái yeah, apartment. Yeah, apartment.
Right. So also, which situation does do some companies often need outside suppliers?
Yes, right. I think a lot of company need to the outside supplier because uh, that's the full value chains to produce any product from the like plantation or raw material through the production into the commercial. So you need to you need to import or get the outside supplier to provide some raw material, and you just focus on the one phase that you have a strength.
What do you mean that you have the strength?
I mean that when you create the one kind of product, yeah, you need to the full of the value chains. The value chains mean you have many steps, many phases, many steps and many phases in the production line, and some company just take advantage, take expertise in one of the phase or one of the steps in the production line. Like my company cannot create packaging, so they just concentrate on the machine to create to produce the sugar, and they get the outside supplier of the packages, the package,
The packages.
the packages.
For example, when your company needs a lot of packages, right?
Yes, right.
And your company cannot produce the packages.
Yes, right.
To contain some products of your company.
Yes, right.
So your company needs to supply needs to import packages from outside
supplier.
Yes, from outside suppliers. So right. So it's time's up. So do you have any question?
No, I have no questions today.
Okay, before we start, let's review some words like work in progress, nghĩa là cái gì đó nó chưa hoàn thiện hả? Nó đang trong quá trình sản xuất.
Work in progress.
Nghĩa là not finished yet, là chưa hoàn thành.
It's not finished yet.
For example, these products are work in progress.
In progress, yeah.
Những cái sản phẩm này đang trong quá trình sản xuất hả? Ví dụ vậy. Đang trong quá trình phát triển và sản xuất.
In progress.
Ok, hôm sau mình sẽ bù thêm 2-3 phút hả?
Yeah, yes, okay.
Okay, goodbye and take care.
Yeah, goodbye. Bye.